All right, you guys, you know what time it is. It's the denial of the day. So today's comes to us from Ronald of Longmont, Colorado. I recently had wind and hail damage to my commercial building, and the adjuster refuses to replace my roof. They want it repaired, but the roofers can't guarantee any repairs because they're causing damage to the surrounding material. Insurance company refuses to listen to the problems. Well, this is the deal. They do refuse to listen to a lot of problems from a contractor and sometimes even the insured. But when you have somebody licensed to work on your behalf, to fight the insurance companies, to get them to pay for legitimate damage, we can win. If your policy covers it and there's legitimate damage, you have a great shot at getting your claim fully paid. So contact us today. BellatorClaims.com. See what we can do to help you. The sooner you contact us, the better results we can get for you. Contact us today. BellatorClaims.com.